Hello, welcome to Special Data Hub. In this video, I'm going to show you how to search for coordinates and addresses using directly here on QGIS software application. So the first thing I'll do is to bring in my base map layer, which is OpenStreetMap. I can use any of these other base map layers. You can check the description of this video to see how to add this to your QGIS interface on your XYZ tiles. So here I have my layer. I have my address and coordinates which I want to search already written out. So I can just copy this and paste it here. Click on enter. If you watch your map, you see that it shows a red dot somewhere around here. I already know where I'm going, so to make this video faster, I could just go to where we're going. But in your case, you just follow the dots and you find yourself in some grassy land. So I created this other section, coordinates for cases where you have your coordinates in degrees, minutes, and seconds. You don't need to convert it first. So when you have 9 degrees, 10 minutes, 7 minutes, 3.238 seconds, there's no problem. Just simply write it as 9 space 7 space. If you can see on my screen here, put a comma after the first latitude and then 7 space 49 space. So you don't need to write the degrees, minutes, and seconds. Click on enter and it takes you to somewhere else in the world. The little lag you see is due to network lag. So when you're searching for addresses, it's almost the same thing, just that you need to add a closing angle bracket before the coordinates, before the name. So we add the closing angle brackets. Closing angle brackets, if you are using a regular keyboard, it is the symbol just on the same key as your full stop. And click on space. You enter your address. Make sure your address is as readable to a geocoder as possible. So you write Eagle Square, Abuja, Nigeria. Yeah, not just Eagle Square. Eagle Square could take you to somewhere in Philippines or in Brazil or thereabout. When you're done, you click on OK and it takes you directly to the spot where you want. Follow the dot. That'll be it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions to ask in the comment section below, or reach out to me using any of the social media channels